The position of an object moving along a horizontal line is given by s of t equals a third t cubed minus 3t squared plus 8t. Find all intervals where the object is speeding up. Now, the object speeding up means acceleration is positive. So, I have the position function. The first derivative gives me the velocity. The second derivative is going to give me acceleration. So I need to go down to the second derivative here before I can do much anything. So let's take the first derivative. Okay, s prime of t is going to have power rule, power rule, power rule. So drop down the 3. A third of 3 is nothing. Well, 1, sorry. And that leaves me with t squared. Okay, drop down to 2, minus 6t. Get rid of the t, plus 8. That's the first derivative. That's velocity. That's not what I want. Second derivative is going to be 2t minus 6, nothing else. Okay, so I care about when this is speeding up. So what I need to do is I need to find my inflection points and make a sine graph. My inflection points are where the second derivative equals 0. So 0 equals 2t minus 6. This is where you're going to have a change from speeding up to slowing down and where you have 0 acceleration. Okay, so I'm going to add 6. 6 equals 2t. Divide 2, t equals 3. So if I'm making a sine graph of the acceleration function, I have an inflection point at 3. What I do in order to find where it's speeding up is I care when the acceleration is positive. So I take a point greater or less than 3. So if I pick 0 and pick 100, and plug it into the acceleration function, this will allow me to find out where this is negative and where this is positive. So if I take 0 and plug it into the acceleration function, I get 0 minus 6, which is negative. That means I'm slowing down. That's not what I want. If I take 100 and plug that in, 2 times 100 is 200, 200 minus 6 is positive. So this is where I'm speeding up. Spup. So this is speeding up at time t is greater than 3. Do I not have a seconds? I don't know. It doesn't say anything. So at time t is greater than 3 is where I'm speeding up. Do I include 3? No, because at 3 it's 0, which means at 3 it's neither. Okay, so that's how you find where an object is speeding up.